Hi, this is Perry over at Axe Equipment. We're here today looking at one of our water recycling rinse booths. This is an rb100. It is holds 100 gallons of water. You can get these in mild steel or stainless steel. This one here happens to be stainless. It's got a little drop down door here. And inside here you're going to find a 36-inch diameter turntable. And they've got a clever little head rack here that will adjust up and down, hold these cylinder heads. And if you'll come in here, you'll see how they've put these little supports out here for the turntable. So when you get a heavy head in here, you got it all set. It's going to keep this turntable stable. Inside here, you've got a two-piece screen right here where my pointer is. It's all powder coated. And it splits right here in the middle so you can take the screen actually out. Over here is your valving. You're going to look here. This is going to be this is going to be your fresh water inlet here. There's a couple ways you can use this. You've got a 5-minute timer here. If I want to use water at the bottom of my rinse booth, I'm going to shut this fresh water valve off here. And I'm just going to hit my timer, and it's going to bring water up from the bottom of the booth into this gun. Now this gun also has air coming to it. You can adjust your air back here, and you can adjust your water volume right here. So it's a really nice little feature to cut down on the amount of water you're using. So it's an air over water gun. So that is standard. So I'll turn my timer off. And let's say that I want to rinse with fresh water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to bring my fresh water valve. I'm just going to open my fresh water valve here. Fresh water is going to come in here with the air and then go to my gun. I'm not going to be using the water out of the bottom, except I'm going to be using fresh water here. So again, you can either rinse with the used water in the bottom, or you can bring fresh water in. Now that fresh water is going to fall in the bottom of the booth. And eventually you're going to, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to recycle this water in this rinse booth back over to your spray washer. And the way to do that is very simple. You have another valve here, going to shut your fresh water. You're going to open this valve here, and you're going to turn on your 5-minute timer here. And then it's going to run water out of here. So you're going to recycle your water from your rinse booth over to your spray washer. That's why we call it a water recycling rinse booth. You're going to come into the back over here. I'll show you what's back here. You've got a 110 cord here for your pump. And again, here is your fresh water inlet here, and this is your air inlet here. So you don't have to drag a hose across the floor or an air hose across the floor to hook everything up. And this will just hook into 110 volts. This machine's, like I said, is all stainless, but it's also powder coated also. Obviously flat in the back. You can come around here, you've got a little drain over here, right down here on the bottom. Now the floor dimensions on this piece, you've got this is going to be 82 inches from left to right. It's going to be 51 inches from front to back. And it's going to be 84 inches to the top. Now you've got a distance from the turntable to the top back here at 62 inches, so it gives you a lot of room. So a very nice rinse booth, gives you a lot of area, a lot of place to rinse your parts at. Again, you've got your door. You can rinse blocks in here, heads in here, what have you. Now again, this is our rb100. We have them in 50 gallons and 70 gallons also. So for the best in cleaning, you know who to call. Call Axe Equipment, 1-800-251-0018, or visit us on the web at axeequipment.com.